Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your muted videos on TikTok. Before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. Now before I show you the steps on how to fix your muted videos, what you need to do is you need to remember this. There are two reasons on why your video gets muted. One, if the music you're using on your video is copyrighted, or the audio or the music. Alright, let's say I make a video and I use audio from like a movie which has not been released, then of course the team of the movie is going to copyright strike me and TikTok will remove that audio, and in that case my video will have no audio. Or if I'm using a music which is not available in my country, or the music which the creator has not provided permission for me to use it, in that case the music will be removed from my video. What should I do in that case? Well, in that case the only thing you can do is just like delete the video which you have on your TikTok, and this is how you delete a video. Just click on a video you want to delete, click on the three dot right beside the video at the bottom right, scroll to the side until you see this option delete, and then just click on delete and click on delete, and the TikTok video will be deleted. Once the TikTok video is deleted, re-upload the video again, and this time use a different audio, or just don't use the audio and upload it. That's one way to fix it, re-upload. But let's say you hadn't used any music and you didn't use any copyrighted audio, and still basically your video got muted. In that case you can report this problem to TikTok and TikTok will fix it. And to report a problem, you want to click on the three line at the top right corner of your screen and click on where it says settings and privacy. Now once you're inside settings and privacy, scroll a bit down until you see this option called the report a problem. Click on report a problem. Now once you click on report a problem, you want to scroll all the way down until you see this option called submit a report. Click on submit a report. Once you do that, it's going to take you to the report submitting page. Over here you want to write this: one of my TikTok video got its audio muted for no reason. Can you help me fix it? Once you write this, you want to click on submit. Once you submit this report, TikTok staff will view your problem and they'll help you fix it. They will unmute the video from their end, because you cannot do it from your setting inside your phone. Alright, so that's how you guys can fix your muted video on TikTok problem. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.